All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:44 in the morning of May 20th, 2021, and this is my morning strategy session. First up, I have Lightspeed. It's catching a bid off of an earnings report. So it still has a loss of 9 cents per share, but it beat by 2 cents, which is 14.87% upside surprise. Lightspeed is a brokerage company. I Well, it says it's a technology services packaged software, but it's a brokerage software. So I have levels at $60.25 and $59.72. I'm, you know, those are the levels, and I'll keep an eye on them. I don't have a lot of conviction on those levels right now. I want to see what it looks like after it opens, what kind of volume comes in, and how the price behaves on that volume. A level to really I think this $57.51 level will get tagged today. It's just, will it get tagged, during the opening, when, opening hour when I like to trade, or will it get tagged later in the day? I don't know. So I'm going to wait until after the open. I haven't been putting orders in pre-market like I used to because of kind of the kooky way the price action's been behaving lately. Like, for example, right now I'm looking at the level 2, and the level 2 has the bid at $60.15 and the ask at $61.48. So, and there it popped up to $61.48 just as I said that. But the bid is still at $60.15. So if somebody hits the bid, right before the open, it'll drop down below the $60.25 range right here and take that number off of the board. So, those are my levels as of right now. We'll see what happens as it gets closer to 9:30. Next up is BLDR, Builders First Source Incorporated. Now, something really strange about TradingView is that it's not giving me the pre-market charts, which is kind of weird. Don't really know what to make of that. There is definitely pre-market action, although it is kind of light, actually. Actually, it says the volume is 761 shares. So normally, I thought that the volume was higher than that, and so normally I wouldn't even, at 761 shares, I wouldn't even pay attention to it. The bid right now on the level 2 is at $44, and the ask is at $44.85. So if it opened right now, it would open up below my levels. So it's on watch, but I seriously doubt that I'll be trading this one today. And then CPSH. Now, CPSH is sort of it's a government contractor. It helps the U.S. Navy arming its ships. Now, what I mean by that is that it helps protect ships. It provides armor. There's some kind of a technology for ships to be able to resist, direct fire of some kind. And so they recently got a new, that's today. CPS Technologies Corp receives additional HybridTech armor panels order for U.S. aircraft carriers. So, back here this is the daily, back here in February, some similar news came out about it being awarded a contract with the U.S. Navy, which is a big deal. I mean, it's a big deal. And back on that day, I can see it looks like I put a pre-market level of $5.97, and I don't think did I get my entry? The low here was $8.30 on this day, so it doesn't look like I got my entry at $5. Oh no, 8.36. So let's see. And the low is 8.30. Oh, I don't know if I traded this one or not. Maybe I did. I'm not sure. Well, anyway, that's the low of that breakout right there, and you can see here on the daily that we're still quite below that breakout level. I will be watching this one for a momentum trade, so if it behaves according to the momentum rules, I'll trade it. And I will use 836 as a resistance point. So if I get an entry, I'll sell here. Now, if I'll sell at 836. Now, if it goes up, breaks 836, comes down, tests it, and moves away again, I'll have another entry there at the breakout point. So otherwise, there isn't a lot on watch. Otherwise, well, RUN just popped up. Actually, let's see what's going on with the RUN. Sunrun. Alternative power generation. Okay. So right now, let's see. My scanner says that it's at $44.48. Let's look at it on the level 2. $44. Yeah, I don't know why TradingView is doing this. I have my extended hours open here. You can see down here, extended. I don't know why I'm not getting the pre-market price action. It looks like I may have had this one on watch before. I had levels on it here on this day, which looked like pretty good levels, actually. If I'd gotten in down here at 43, it ran up to as high as 49. Well, so this one's got a little bit of history of running. I wonder if I can use those levels again. 43.75. Yeah. Well, I'll put new levels on it here. I'm gonna have to finagle the the Fibonacci here. Put it 44.47. All right. May 19th. Today's the 20th. So I'll bring it over the 20th at like 7:30 in the morning. All right. So 44. Right now it says 44.23. I'll use that number. 44.24 is close enough. And then I'll snap it to yesterday's close. All right. So let's see. Looks like we have 43.36 and 43.08 for levels. Let me write those down so I don't forget them. Run RUN. Okay. 43.36. 3.36 and 43.08. Oh, and I have a Fibonacci retracement on this one already too. Let's look at that old Fibonacci retracement. Well, that's interesting. That comes up right to, yeah, those old levels might work out all right. Well, I'm going to go with the new levels anyway. go with the new levels. Most recent levels. All right. So 43.36. And 43.08. Okay. Let's see how this thing behaves after the opening bell. I really wish I don't know what the deal is with TradingView's pre-market data on some of these things. Sometimes I just don't know why it's not working. All right, well, so that's everything that I have on watch this morning. Good luck out there today. Keep your wrist tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.